Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. I'm here to help brand new crafters go from feeling overwhelmed, uncreative, and unsure how to begin to feeling inspired, excited, and proud to share their new creations. Today, I've got a really gorgeous project to show you, and I want to start by showing you this beautiful Sun Prints paper. This is in the annual catalog, and it's part of the Sun Prints suite. And these papers are so gorgeous. They're monochromatic, beautiful floral imagery. They're just absolutely stunning, and I hope you'll enjoy them as much as I do. Start by cutting out a label shape from your white cardstock and a wreath shape from each of the other 3 scrap cardstocks: Blushing Bride, Knight of Navy, and Silver Foil. Now use the Fern 3D embossing folder on your gray granite piece. The only stamping you need on this card is the sentiment on your white label piece. Punch out the extra little bits on each of your wreaths with the Take Your Pick tool. Then take your snips and snip each of your wreaths into 4 or 5 pieces. Don't stress too much about this. Just do it in a way that makes sense to you. You'll just need 2 of each color to complete the card. Set the rest aside for your next project. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. I've got some silver trim from the Simply Elegant Trim combo pack. I'm going to wrap it twice around this piece before attaching. To assemble your wreath pieces onto your sentiment, apply adhesive all over the back of the sentiment. Then lay out your wreath pieces more or less how you want them to go. They kind of make an S shape. Add the first layer and add more adhesive. Stick the next 2 bits down and add more adhesive. Finally, the final 2 pieces go on. Now add dimensionals to the back of the sentiment and add it onto the card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more projects and videos, my events calendar, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping!